Hey guys, this is Mrs. Rush. I'm trying something new with your notes for today. This is called Screencastify, and this will just be kind of me going through the notes as you listen on your Chromebooks. I know you guys love technology, so I thought I'd give it a try. Hopefully my voice sounds all right. And again, I'll be going over the notes as I normally would. Now you'll just be listening to it with headphones on your Chromebook, and everyone can listen and go at their own speed. And I will be filling them in with you, and I'd like you to fill them in with me on your piece of paper as we go through them together here. All right, so you might have to bear with me a little bit. This is my first time kind of doing this. So here we go. All right. So we're going to go through the steps up here and then do some examples down at the bottom. So step one, let's skip this here. Okay. So step one, when we're adding and subtracting decimals, you need to write out the numbers vertically. Oops. Oops, sorry. Hold on. Okay. Write out the numbers vertically. That means straight up and down. See how down here, usually they're horizontal? So we want to write them out vertically, up and down. Step two, we need to line up the decimal points. Line up. Okay. Step three, we need to insert zeros. That's the number 0. I'll put it in a parenthesis so you can see it. Insert zeros so that both numbers have the same number of decimal places. So I will explain that more when we do some examples. Step 4, bring down the decimal point. And step 5, add or subtract as you normally would with whole numbers. All right, let me pause this for a sec. And take a minute and fill in the steps. All right, so now we're going to try example 1. And I'm going to try to write it out with this handy little pencil. We'll see how it goes. And again, you're copying the example with me as we go through it, or right after I do it. I'll leave it up. Okay, so my example says we're going to add 8.13 plus 2.76. Okay, so step 1 told me back up here we need to write the numbers vertically, straight up and down. So let's try that here. 8.13 plus 2.76. And again, you know me, I usually try to make my writing nice and neat. I'm trying hard with this little pencil. It's a little new for me. So 8.13 plus 2.76. All right. Whoa, a little squiggly. All right, so there we go. So there's the problem. Okay. So now we don't need to add any zeros, and I want to back up a step. See how I lined the decimal points straight up, one on top of each other like that? So it always makes me think of that song, line them up, line them up. So they're one on top of each other. Okay, we don't need to insert any zeros because they have the same number of decimal places, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so we're fine. We bring the decimal point straight down, so it comes right below here. And then we add or subtract as you would with whole numbers. So 3 plus 6 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So our answer to this problem would be 10.89. All right, so now we're going to try some more on the back. Great job so far. I'm going to pause this.